I went natural in 2011 at some point. It wasn't a major decision. I had just been wearing braids and I decided, you know what? I'm just not going to relax my hair anymore. Um, and I just continued to wear braids. I would say for at least 6 months, I kept my hair in braids. And then that was the start of my natural journey. I did not big chop, I transitioned. I tried different styles to blend my textures, like rod sets and twist outs to manage the transition phase. And to be honest, my permed hair was so weak that it would break and snap. And eventually one day I looked at my hair and said, oh wow, look, it's all natural. The only regret I have about transitioning in that way was I wasn't careful about protecting my ends. So I didn't retain as much length as I could have if I was more delicate with my hair. But honestly, no matter how you choose to go natural, whether you big chop or transition, or you decide to, transition under lace front or extensions, just enjoy it. There are pros and cons to each way you may choose to start and go through your natural journey. For example, if you cut your hair and you start with a TWA, your hair routine can be short and you can get to learn about your hair while it's not too much to manage. You can try different products, you can wash it more easily than you can when it's, medium to long length. So you get to learn about your hair and figure out what works and what doesn't while you're still in the TWA. When you are transitioning, you get to get more comfortable with your hair while retaining your length. So you may not be comfortable with a short haircut, but by transitioning, you get to feel the natural texture of your hair against the perm texture and still keep the length. So that's why transitioning may be good for some people. Honestly, that's why I transitioned. But I think the most important thing is whatever way you choose to go along your natural hair journey, you choose it and you decide how to be comfortable. So along my natural hair journey, I've tried a lot of different styles. I've learned how to flat twist, I've learned how to cornrow, I've learned how to do different kinds of roller sets on my hair. I've done the twist outs, the braid outs. Honestly, this is one of my go-to styles is a puff. Is if I try a hairstyle and it can't and it fails, I just throw my hair up in a puff. It really is a journey and it really can be freeing. One of the things that made me realize that I would be on this natural hair journey probably for the rest of my life is when I decided to get married with my natural hair. Now, I always assumed that when I got married, I would put in extensions and weaves, but I was able to find a natural hairstylist in my area who hooked me up with this gorgeous updo that I rocked confidently on my wedding day. But yeah, when you learn how to embrace your natural hair, no matter how it might look, you really can enjoy this natural hair journey.